Hey guys, welcome to Rohit FP. Today I'm back with some review videos. It's not a review video, but it will be mainly an unboxing video. Well, I have received my Tornado motors. That's the T1 2300 kV 2600 series number. Well, these motors were on pre-order. They are from RC Mumbai, and he is selling for very cheap. It's like $1,000 for a motor, so I purchased 4 motors. I got it for 4,000 rupees. And for the market, like they have a good performance related. Like if you compare it to IS2205 and these motors, they are good. Regarding the shaft, some people say that it has a weak shaft, but let's see. I haven't tried it yet. It's my first, like it's a new motor in the market, and I just pre-ordered it and I received the motors today from RC Mumbai. Thank you RC Mumbai for shipping it at a faster rate. Well, also I have a X4R for my copter, which I didn't had. As you know, I have sold my transmitter, so I don't have any transmitter right now. I have like brought one from my friend. That's the FlySky 9X with XJT, and I will be using the X4R for the race. Well guys, I would like to tell you that in the next week, like on the Saturday and Sunday, I will be doing a live video of the IDRL. That's the Indian Drone Racing League. That's the first Indian drone racing in India. Well, I will be doing the live on Facebook and YouTube. You can see the links in the description for my Facebook ID and YouTube. Like you can subscribe to my channel now, so that you may get updated and you may get a notification for the live session going on. You can see all pilots from India, like whoever are coming. Even some pilots are coming from Assam and Bangalore stuff. So like you can get introduced to all people who are the pilots in India and all stuff. How do they fly, how do they make their builds, how do they choose parts. I'll be also meeting some of the local hobby shops in India, so that you people get to know them and you people know what they aim to take this hobby at like a huge level and all stuff. Like they are doing their hard, they are doing the best, and we as a hobbyist are trying to support them too. Well, also I have a Armaton frame bought by Shabir, so we'll be unboxing that too. It's a 140 size frame, I suppose. Let's see what it is actually. So guys, this is the frame that's for Shabir, and yeah, these are the motors and the X4R. So now first unboxing the frame. Let's see what it has inside. And so I haven't opened it. Yes, it needs a good cut actually, and the packing is very nice. It's a very nice packing. Okay guys, what you can see is that Armaton Productions custom built hobby parts. What you can see is Armaton custom built hobby parts, and yeah, so it's a very tiny frame, and the quality, I won't be opening. Okay, I can open the pack because it's a seal pack. Okay, I have some stickers from Armaton Hobbies custom build multi rotors. I have a specs check carbon fiber thickness. It's a min pin battery plate and the main frame. So okay, so I'm considering that this is the main frame. It's very small, it's very tiny. It costs, I don't know how much. The frame is OK types, and it is like 2mm. Yes, it is 2mm frame. I don't know why we brought it. Well, this is the frame, and this is the battery plate. So yeah, that's what the frame is about. I will just pack it again so that he feels it's new. Okay, so it's done, and yeah, so that's pretty much of the frame. I feel the build quality is good, but it's just 2mm, so I doubt that it's that good. Well, this is the packet from RC Mumbai. Packing is very nice. Well, the packing is good, and okay, the packing is good. Well, I will just be unboxing it so that just check it like what it is. I just requested him. Actually, I haven't ordered the X4R before, like in the order. I just had pre-ordered the motors, but he said that he will be shipping the motors, so I just requested him to put the receiver too inside this, so he just packed it very nice and just sent it to me. He's a nice guy, Chintal, who runs RC Mumbai. Well, this is what the service is about, and I know there are people who got some service issues with them, but for me, I have 100% positive response. Like, I have got a very nice service from him. Okay guys, so this is the packing. This is the packing which I will be throwing off. This is the X4R, guys. This is like from made in China. Okay, FrSky Electronics. This is directly from FrSky Electronics. And yeah guys, so what I can see is this is a mini receiver. You might have seen my videos where I was using this big receivers. Like, this is a very small receiver, and I can use the PPM, which will give me 16 channels directly, but which I won't be needing it, so I will be only using 8 channels on this by one wire. So I don't need the other wires on my flight controller. I will just using the one wire. Well guys, so this is what I won't be making another video to show how to connect PPM, because you can just Google it out. Well, now the motors. This is the important part actually. I will just show you what all we get in the packet. So guys, okay, I can see 4 packs inside. The packing is extremely solid. Like, he has packed it like I cannot even open it. It's a very nice packing. He has invested. I have seen people speaking about the shipping charges, that they are more. Guys, the shipping charges, I suppose the shipping charges are more due to this type of packing. They need to spend like the amount for the packing and all stuff. The shipping is not only the shipping. So now I will be showing you the Brother Hobby motors. So guys, these are the motors. This is the Brother Hobby motors. So guys, these are the motors, and this is the Brother Hobby motor, which is 2205 2300 kV from Brother Hobby. I don't see any other thing inside on the box. Well, I will just be opening the box and checking out what all I get in this. Okay, so I get the prop nut inside and get 4 screws for the motor to mount on the frame, and I get the motor. Well, the wires are decent, like they are not that long like device has, but this is good. This is a good length. As it is, we cut it to half and like the 3/4 size, and we just use this much of wire. Well, the shaft, the magnets are very strong. I feel the magnets. You can just have a motor and you can just check. Motors are very nice. It has a C-clip again, so I haven't destroyed any motors yet, so I don't know what's the main difference between the C-clip and the nut. People say that the nut pull is like very nice, but I don't know. I'm okay with the C-clip also. Well, you can see the magnets also. I will just show you the magnet. So I feel that it's pretty good. The magnets are very good. The build quality is very nice, and I feel the power already. So this is the T motor, 2205 2300 kV. Rest of the boxes will be the same. Okay, so I feel the motors are nice. I don't know, I will be using them and I will be just telling you how I felt compared to RS2205 and other motors. So stay tuned to the channel, and I hope I build this copter soon. I won't be taking these motors to the IDRL because I don't have other parts. I don't have any hub OSD or I don't have any extra FC or the extra frame. I have ordered the stuff, but I don't think they will be reaching me soon. I have ordered them from other sites and my seller.